Hi there, in this class I'm going to show you how to combine winter and summer in one image, and at the same time we will learn how to use layer masking right over here. So layer masking is a non-destructive way which allows you to hide parts of an image or layer without erasing them. Like this, we can just create the new layer like this, Command J, and doing something with this layer. Let's just choose the brush tool and just spoil all the picture. And after that we can just turn this layer off, and here it is. Our original image is not spoiled. In other words, non-destructive way means we can have an original image that is untouched all the time you're editing, and all editing and manipulations happen only on the newly created layers above the main and original image. So in this case, as we see, the original image still being intact. And now about masking. Let's just undo last actions like this. And we already know that we can edit the layer like this. We can do anything we want. We can edit all things, but with masking we can do more. And some of the examples you can check, just Google it. So, masks Photoshop. With masking you can do all of this stuff. Modify background colors, remove or cut some objects. You can just blend the girl face and lion face in one picture. It looks like this. Cool, I think. And here an interesting case. It's a sort of superpower with limitless abilities. And now let's jump into the project. Let's just make sure that you have downloaded these files, summer and winter. Open. Or you might want to have your own, that's even better. So let's get started. We have the layer with summer, and here's the opened file with winter. Now we just duplicate this layer by Command J, or you can just duplicate layer like this. So we have the winter, and Command C, Command V right over this object, right over this summer. And when we are on the winter, we just click on this little guy with the circle. That means we want add layer mask. And now about masks. The rules are that we've got only two colors, black and white. Just make sure that you have black and white right over here. Black conceals and white reveals. If we use a brush tool, for example, let's just grab brush tool. Make sure that you have the appropriate size. And after that, we just, if we have brush tool with black color, it means we erase pixels of the top layer. And if we use white color here, let's just switch on. If we use white color, the pixels return to their original places. If we want to be faster, we hit X to change black and white. So let's change the hardness of the brush. Let's change its size. Or you can use brackets, so it's good. Change the color and just black over the image like this. Simply paint over this on this layer, on top layer, on winter. Just do some manipulating. I think it's nice. And in the layer tab we see the highlighted area on the right of an original winter layer. And this thumbnail shows us what did we paint by using over paintbrush. Just look at this, look at here. See? So Command Z. It's okay, but let's make this project a little better. Just hit delete or backspace on your keyboard when you're in a mask. And let's check what this tool, the gradient tool, can do. Here it is, gradient tool. And just make sure that you have basics right over here. And check this one. So mode is normal, opacity 100%, and both jitter and transparency are checked. So just a side note, you know, the way of Photoshop Master looks like this. I know the basics, I know some stuff from here, I'm using this panel and this adjustment, but in some cases I need to check some tutorials by other masters, and it might be very disappointed if you did all the steps like your tutorial speaker, but didn't get the same result. And all because of this, did not check all the settings in the options panel. Now back to the project. Let's just create a new mask. And all we need to do with the gradients is just click on the left side and drag and drop on the right side. And look at the mask thumbnail. We did it. Well, let's undo and just play around with it like this, or you can do this stuff. I think it's better for me.
But let's take our brush tool forward to do some decorations.
By using black, that can do a little better. And here, no, it's not okay. It's okay. I think it's okay, but I need just a little bit change the hardness. So I think it's nice. Yeah. As we saw in Google, we can do a lot of interesting things like this one, or this one, or this one. Okay. Masking is a very powerful stuff. And often found in tutorials, we can insert a face into the head of an animal. Just place your image, open the mask of the upper one, and paint, select, and blur a mask as you want. So good luck with your personal project, and after your practice, see you in the next video. There we're gonna cover the last things on the tools panel. See you!